What's up, everyone? Welcome to my kitchen. So, I was out shopping. I have a show on Friday and I need to wear black jeans. Thing is, my black jeans are completely faded. So, I decided to re-dye them. So, that's what we're gonna do today because I don't know, I just thought it would be interesting to film. I've never done this before, so we can learn together how to re-dye your clothes to give them pizzazz. I just hope I don't ruin my pair of jeans because they're the only ones that I have and I love them. We're just gonna get started. Okay, so now that I've rearranged all the pots and pans that I have, we have this bad boy. So the instructions basically say your clothing has to be clean. You have to dissolve this in boiling water. So we're gonna get some water now. Now that we have a big boil of water, I'm just gonna turn this thing on. And I guess we're just gonna wait until it boils. I'll see you as soon as that's done.
A few moments later.
So the baby is bubbling. And I'm just gonna put this. Okay, so we are supposed to pour this and just let it dissolve. So we're gonna do that. What am I gonna stir with this and hope I don't die? We're gonna pour this in. This is very little. I don't know why it feels like it's very little. Now you're gonna stir it. This shit is darker than my soul. I don't think I'm gonna use this anymore. So. Oh, I forgot to do something pretty important. Let's go in. So I'm just gonna keep on stirring this thing. I think it's done. I don't know if I have to like let it boil yeah, I have to let it boil. I'm gonna cut the tags off so they don't get all dark. There's no point in those getting dyed, so I'm just gonna snip them. So now that I've removed the tags, I'm just gonna put it in there, like so. So I'm just gonna let it sink. It said on the thing that the clothing had to be loose, but these are jeans. Jeans can't really be loose. So I'm just gonna stir this. I feel like I'm a witch performing a dark spell so that everybody who wronged me dies or something. That's pretty freaking amazing. I just set a timer for 20 minutes and I'm just gonna stir this for those entire 20 minutes. I'm very excited about tomorrow's show because I haven't played with my band, with the band that I'm in such a long time, for around 6 months. Which feels like a complete, total eternity. And music is such a huge part of my life. And I don't know, this is the first time I'm actually playing live with them in a pretty long time. So let's hope that comes out great. Not like all the stains I'm making on my thing. So right now I'm filling another tub because this was not enough water. My jeans are basically floating above the water, and that means they're not going to get stained correctly. So we don't want that. I'll be right back. So, important piece of advice. If you are a klutz like me, Wear something you can actually get dirty and not clothing that you actually like. We will ruin it. Just gonna make sure it fills up the whole thing. There you go. And we're gonna keep on stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. So the timer is up. It's been 20 minutes. I made a fucking mess. And I had to change because I stained all my clothes. So there's that. So I'm just gonna carry this over to that side and I'm gonna rinse the jeans until there's no more color coming out. So let's see what we can do. It's been a couple days since I dyed my jeans. They have dried, and I just wanted to show you guys the results. And I have a pair of older jeans, well, they're around like the same age. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of like a before and after of how my newly dyed jeans turned out and how the ones that were about as discolored as the ones I dyed, how they look like. So you can just like, I'll show you. So these are the old ones. As you can see, they have like a grayish color here going on. They are definitely not black anymore. They're the same brand, Hollister jeans. These are just, these are only low rise, so they're just like a slightly different style. But I want you guys to compare this with this. I mean, look at it. You can, I mean, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but whoa, whoa. I already wore them. I had a presentation last Friday, today's Monday, and I had to wear black jeans. So I dyed these, and honestly, I am pretty freaking happy with how this turned out. You can barely tell that these are like a couple years old. So the dye came out pretty well. It's pretty uniform. Some recommendations that I have, very important. Wear clothes that are either old or you don't mind getting dirty. That would be the first thing. The pot that you put the dye in, make sure it's a pot that you're not gonna eat it anymore because it's gonna remain stained for a while and you don't want to eat that dye. I don't know if it's toxic. I just really wouldn't recommend it at all. Third, make sure I did it like a whole freaking mess with the entire dye situation. I spilled it on the stove, I spilled it on the floor, and it was actually pretty easy to clean. I'm gonna leave the dye brand around here, and I'll also link it down below so you guys can get it. Also, if you're gonna need like a ladle or spoon to stir the pot. Make sure you don't need that anymore because mine actually ended up all black and stained, and I'm just not, I don't think that's safe for human consumption. So yeah, I think that would be it for the recommendations, but that would be everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a good old thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below so you're not part of like the 50% that watches my videos and never subscribes, because that is not cool. We don't like this. So I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye!